Discord is one of the most famous communication applications in the gaming world. If you are relatively new in using this app or haven't tried it yet, then this is the page for you. This video will show you how to add games to Discord. Once you have installed the application, you can join any Discord servers easily. An individual user can join up to 100 servers in the app. Join a server through your desktop. Launch the Discord app and log into your account. Select the plus icon found in the left sidebar. Select Join a Server. Enter the invite link and click Join. How to add games to Discord. When the app is installed, the list of games stored in your PC or device will show in the Discord library by accessing the Home tab. Open the Discord app on your device. Click the user settings icon found in the bottom left of your screen. Select Activity Status. Turn on the toggle beside Display Currently Running Game as a status message. Once turned on, the list of games on your device will show in the library below. Select Add It to add a game you want it to show in the app. Search for your game and select it. If the game is supported by the app, it will be successfully added to the Discord library. How to add unverified games to Discord. There are times that games do not appear automatically in the Discord library because the game is not supported. In this case, you can add the games by using their game file. Access the Discord app. Select User Settings. Select Activity Status. Tap Add It, and find your game. Select the game, and once the game is running, minimize the game. Select the active program associated with the game, and you can choose any name for that program. Take note that for unverified games, the status will not show on your profile when you are playing the game. Discord still continues to improve their system and hopefully will add more verified games to their app and add more features for the player's benefit. Thanks for watching this video.